Right, I thought I'd just do one last walk around. The Escort's finally going into storage. I was going to take it to the spot I first took it about, what was it, nearly 6 years ago now, but there's some people there so I didn't want to disturb them, so I thought I'd bring it here where I took it before, in 2013. Yeah, it's finally going in a underground car park. And it'll probably stay there for quite some time. I'm not 100% sure what the future holds for this car now, but either it'll stay like this, or I'll have the bodywork tidied up a bit and possibly a respray. It looks good from a distance, but when you get close now there's blemishes and paint fade, and I mean it's been out 8 years now, so or the dream is one day to have the engine converted to a 2 litre Z-Tech, but the original's still fine, and whilst the original's working I don't really want to do that. It's been so reliable. I mean, I've looked after the engine, but I haven't exactly been easy on it at times. This is my first car and I've had my fun, you know. People have said this engine, the 1.3 OHV, is bulletproof, and I know it's not fast at all, but it has put a smile on my face a couple of times, and it's been pushed. You can get sort of 50 in second and 70 in third, and because I've had the suspension changed, it sticks around corners, and it'd be interesting to see how long it lasts. But now that it's going into storage, I don't think I'll be putting many miles on it. It's now at 70,000. 70,000 miles. I got the car, it was my 18th birthday present from my dad, and it had 19,000 miles on the clock, and it was, honestly, it was in showroom condition. I felt guilty driving it for quite a while. But that's why I wanted to look after it, and yeah, I've had it 8 years, never let me down really. Interior is all original. I haven't even changed the cassette. I got one of those adapters. But yeah, I mean, I've now got another car. If you check on my channel, I used to have a red Honda. But I had to sell that after a job loss in 2013. I finally found another one. I really missed that car, so I've got another 3rd gen Prelude, and I thought now is the time to tuck this away for the future. I know it's not really worth anything, but it's, you know, sentimental value to me, first car and that. So hopefully I can do something in the future with it. When I get my garage, I'll just put it in there, and maybe it'll be an ornament, just a nostalgia trip. But yeah, this here it is. And yeah, I just want to thank everyone that's commented in the past and watched my other videos. It's nice to see so many positive comments, or like their dad had one or something, or it was their family car. And sorry if I haven't replied to all of them. For some reason I don't get, well, I haven't replied to many actually, but I don't get the emails through when people comment. But I'll check this video and I'll try and get back to anyone. So, and it's been nice to hear about other people having one of these, their first car. A couple of people have also asked if I'd recommend it as their first car, and it depends what you want really. I mean, if you can find one in good condition, the rust is the main issue, but mechanically they're pretty basic. I've never really had any major problems, and if you do, parts are easily obtained and any garage will fix it. So, but yeah, this engine's been fine. I've done 200-mile journeys flat out at 90 and nothing. It just, if anything, this engine runs better now than when it did when I first got it. It's like it's been running nicely. So yeah, enough of my blabbering. So yeah, away she goes. It doesn't sound tappy now like on the cold start. It wasn't really a cold start at the beginning. It hadn't been started for 3 or 4 weeks, and I just thought someone asked for me to do a cold start, so I thought I'd do it for them. But yeah, when it's running, it runs quite well. Oh, the radio doesn't work though. It comes on and off, but Maybe I'll change it one day, put DAB in it or something. I don't think that'll really harm its originality too much. But yeah, thanks again everyone, and you all take care.